Let's have a look at some commonly mispronounced words. Take a look at this word. How do you think we say it? The pronunciation is salmon. 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 So the L is actually silent. Salmon. I like to eat salmon. What about this word? What do you think? Well, we actually say cupboard. K-a-b-e-r-d. Cupboard. So the P is actually silent as well. Cupboard. I put my clothes in the cupboard. What about this word? What do you think? It looks like it would be colonel, but it's not. It's colonel. Colonel. The colonel told his officers to get back to work. Colonel. What about this word? What do you think? It's actually pronounced muscle. Muscle. M-u-s-l. Muscle. I go to the gym to work out and get bigger muscles. And the last word, how do you think you pronounce this? It's a very fancy type of boat, and it looks like you might say yacht, but actually we pronounce it yacht. 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 The yacht was very fancy, and I really enjoyed being in the ocean on it. Yacht. Let me know what you think of these words. Did you pronounce them wrong before? Or did you already know how to say them?